Amen, bantwana Isithunywa. Thank you so much for viewing my videos. And to my new subscribers, thank you, thank you, thank you. To my returning subscribers, I really and truly appreciate you guys. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. I hope ukuthi ni-right, uNkulunkulu sanigcinile ngomusa wakhe. Ngiyaphila, konke kuhamba kahle ngoba siphila ngomusa kaNkulunkulu. I know it's been a while since I posted, and I'm truly sorry. Ububhizi nje bempilo, konke ku-right, just nje ububhizi. I hope nisese-right. Namhlanje ngizocela ukuthi ngithanda ukuthi sikhulume ngeLadi, ukuthi mhlawumbe ukhe wezwa kukhulunywa iLadi, but awazi ukuthi iLadi yini. So namhlanje I'm going to explain more about that. Liyini iLadi? What is iLadi? Ke eng iLadi? Le ke dula ke utlwa ba bua ka lona. iLadi, it is a ritual we do to connect with our ancestors for different reasons. It has the power to open closed doors for you. So izinto zakho mazivalekile yakhona ukuyenza iLadi. And then singathi itiya elincane esilenzayo for abantu abadala, iLadi. And then liyenzelwani iLadi? Reasons for ukwenza iLadi. Ungayenza iLadi for ukubonga, Thanksgiving, to show love and gratitude to our ancestors and guides. Mhlawumbe uyabonga bakuphe imoto, ungakhona ukuthi uyenze iLadi. And then for ukucela, uyakhona ukuyenza iLadi for ukucela. Mhlawumbe udinga umsebenzi, and then uyenza iLadi, khulume nabo abantu abangombathile. And then iLadi lobizo like Isithunywa namanye ama-different gifts. And then kuya ngokuthi mhlawumbe uyalidla igobongo, and then ungakhona ukubeka hluka lapho nalapha hluka kakhulu. And then khona iLadi uma uphunyelwe isisu, isisu, miscarriage, maybe walahlekelwa umntwana wakho angakazalwa, uyakhona ukuyenza iLadi. Khona iLadi la for abantwana ama-stillborn, uyakhona ukuyenza iLadi lelo. Then what is needed when doing iLadi? It will depend on what you were shown by your guides or by the guidance of a healer. I can add ukuthi it doesn't have to be ukuthi uboniswe ngamaphupho ukuthi uliyenze. Mhlawumbe uyabonga, uzolinda ukuthi uphuphe wena before ubonga. No, you are able to do it. Just nje khona ukuthi uboniswe ukuthi yenza iLadi, or mhlawumbe boyo consult and then bakutshela ukuthi yenza iLadi. Yes, and then nasi isithombe esivezayo more or less ukuthi liba kanjani. Akusho ukuthi kumele kube nawo konke lokho or kodwa lokhu la, only this. You can add more. iLadi kahle kahle awudingi imali eningi, sosho kanjalo. Uma unganayo, then ungakhona ukuyenza iLadi ngaloko onakho. So you can add ama-fruits and vegetables, amakhendlela wakho, kuya ngokuthi what have you been shown, ayingakhi and what not, or healer iyakugayida ukuthi kumele ufake amakhandlela ayingakhi. Or uyawazi ama-colors wakho, you know, then usebenzise wona. You can add ama-sweet, impepho if you are allowed to use it. We all know ukuthi not everyone is allowed ukuthi ayuse impepho. Bakhona abangayisebenzisi, kumele ishiswe kuloyo okhethiwe kuphela. Ama-drinks, ungabeka ijuice, ungabeka ama-cold drink, ungabeka i-alcohol, ungabeka ama-cake, ama-snacks, ama-chips, and stuff. And then if ukhona ungabeka inkukhu lapho, mhlawumbe uhlabile, or ukudla okuphekile uyakhona ukubeka lapho. Akusho ukuthi kumele iLadi lakho libe na lezi zinto lezi engizibalile zonke or zodwa. You can add more, or if imali ingasi enough, then ungakhona ukuyenza iLadi nale few of this item that I've listed here. And then if waphunyelwa isisu, miscarriage, or waba ne-stillborn, uyakhona ukuthi u-ede i-purity yabantwana ngisho idanone, amadanone, ibisi, uyakhona ukubeka lapho elayitini lakho, ubeke iy'mpahla, kuya ngokuthi umntwana muni. If wazi ukuthi umfana, blue stuff and other colours zamantombazane uyazazi. If bowungazi, then ungabeka ama-neutral colours, abo-white bakho, abo-green and stuff, yeah. And then liyenzelwa kuphi iLadi? Nazi izindawo lapho ungayenza khona iLadi. Ungalenzela ekhaya. Ekhaya doesn't mean ukuthi kini. Uyakhona ukulenza kwakho. Uyakhona ukulenza efletini. Uyakhona ukulenza ku-townhouse. Uyakhona ukulenza emcashweni. Yeah, alinankinga iLadi. Uyakhona ukuthi if kunomsindo lapho mhlawumbe ucashile, then uyazazi umntana asemanzini, ungaya ngasemfuleni, ungaya if umntana asentabeni, ungaya entabeni. Lapho uzobe uboniswe khona. Uyakhona ukuya elwandle, uyenze iLadi laselwandle or ehlane. Kuya ngokuthi uboniswe ini or uyazazi wena ukuthi ubhilonga kuphi, then ungayenza. You don't have ukuthi uye kulezo iy'ndawo, uyakhona nokulenza la ohlala khona. And then you don't have to invite everyone. You just invite nje abantu abayi-few, your immediate family. Ningaba yi-2, ningaba yi-3, ungaba yi-1 kuLadi. Because let's say awukhoni ukuyenza izinto eziningi and usacela imali, umsebenzi, whatever, then uyakhona ukuyenza. So akusumsebenzi omkhulu angisho iLadi. Itiyanyana nje encane. And then what do you do uma uyenza iLadi? You pray and you phahla. Angisho ukukhuluma nabantu abakuphethe, your guides, your ancestors wakho, izithunywa zakho. Uyakhuleka ukhulume nabo lapho eLadini. Into oyenzayo lapho kuLadi lakho. And then kubalulekile ukuthi silenze iLadi ukuze abasembethe bajabule. They always protect and guide us whether siyabona noma cha. Trust me, they do. Ngaba sikho la sikhona if bangasifikeli. And then ama-benefits okwenza iLadi. iLadi liyavula inhlanhla, liyakhanyisa, kube kuhle. Maybe izinto zakho bezivalekile nje, wenza iLadi, wenza iLadi lakho, abantu abakuphethe bajabule, bakuvulela inhlanhla, bakuvulela umsebenzi, bakuvulele lokho okuvalekile nje, liyavula. It connects you and it connects you with your guides, and then liyakhona ukukuxhumanisa nabantu abakuphethe. And then things to do mawuyenza iLadi before uqala ngalo nje. You must cleanse yourself and your space. Sikhulumile one of my videos engike ngaziyenza on how to cleanse yourself and your space. So if ungayibonanga, you can go back and watch that video. Uyazithoba mawuyenza iLadi, you humble yourself, you don't make busy ulokwe ulwa lapho ushawutisa, uthukana, wenza izinto ezinansi nje, futhi nje izinto ezingafuneki zomethukana. And then uzila ucansi, awenzi ithobalano. You don't have sex mawuzoyenza iLadi, or mawulungisela ukwenza iLadi, mawuyenza iLadi. And then uyahlala uphithizela esitradeni. Nje ukuthi kumele kube nesikhathi lapho uyazi khona ukuthi yabona ngine-free time la, then uzokhona ukuthi ngenze iLadi, uhlalele iLadi lakho, ngalokhu uphithizele kubomakhelwane, ngoba banga-end up bayakuhetha, bakukhiphe emoyeni, nicabane or whatever. Ngoba ngeke ucontrol umuntu ukuthi uzizwa kanjani. Yeah. So I hope ukuthi khona something that you have learned today, especially if bungalazi ukuthi iLadi elani. Yes, ngizostopa lana ke okwanamhlanje. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and please don't forget to subscribe. Niyathandwa, nikhulekisa ukuthi izinto zenu zihambe kahle. uNkulunkulu anikhanyisele nakumabizo eninawo, ngoba siyazi ukuthi ngesinye isikhathi awunasithunywa kuphela, nesithunywa nedlozi most of the time. Yeah, konke kuhambe kahle, konke kukhanye kulunge. Amen.